Welcome to Donmar TV News Channel.
May tanong na ako sa iyo. Tanong biro lang. Saan si Roy?
Well, nasa travel po siya sa Iloilo dahil tinitingnan niya rin po yung situation po doon naman sa Iloilo.
Okay. Believe ako. Baka ang landing niya Boracay, ha? Hindi, sabi ko biro lang. I know he's really very busy. And he's a hard worker. Gusto ko lang maitanong, yung lipatan ng mga tao na space in that near where they are now staying, yung relocation sa gobyerno.
Ay, malapit lang po.
Lupa ng gobyerno?
Opo, ito po yung mga protected areas po na pwede naman hong gamitan ng tenurial instrument.
Oh, good. Mas mabuti yan. Marami mo namang lupa ang gobyerno. Bigay na lang ninyo sa mga tao. Within the next few months. Pasa mo na lang sa sino bang sa DAR. Sa DAR para they can come in and said plan for these people in areas. Yung aking advice is kung mag-rehabilitate kayo ng isang community and you would want to look for the space, if it's a government land, ibigay na ninyo lahat. Wala nang those idle government land, idle lang of the government, not productive. Better give it to the people right away. Nandito lang siya na sino bang pumalit kay sa DAR?
Bernie Cruz, Secretary Bernie Cruz.
Babae?
Bernie Cruz, lalaki pa. Dating undersecretary.
Idagdag na lang niya yan doon sa land reform, My sense is that yung lahat ng lupa na pwedeng ibigay sa mga tao, whether they were victims of the typhoon or not, ibigay na lang yung kaya nilang ibigay. Kaya nating ibigay lahat. Wala naman tayong maraming tao talaga. And, if you want to improve the place, you have to deal with the people. And most of them are marginalized or are really very poor na walang malipatan. So, kailangan, bilisan ninyo ng konti. Pero si Casillones made a good, for the time that he was with the cabinet, he made a significant act of giving so many lands. I think malaki ang naibigay natin sa gobyerno. Tignan ko, yan ang sinasabi ko. This is the time when the law should apply. The law on the proclamations of calamity should not be dependent on the assessment of the damage, because that exercise should come days after the catastrophic event. Na sinabi ko, kaya napilitan tayong not really disobey, but I told the COA, if I have to wait for that report, it would come about 1 week, 3 to 1 week. So the resulting not really delay, but the period of assessment comes very much later. But anyway, yun yung tingin ko that's the flow of the law sa ano. Yung Odette na yan, hinahanap ko pa ang gaga, babae ang Odette eh. By the way, ma'am, si Sal Panelo, kasama natin sa cabinet, Secretary for Presidential Legal Advisor. He was in Zambales this afternoon, and he was maybe campaigning, but he was able to manage to have a crowd, and most of them were teachers. Sabi ng mga maestra kay Sal to convey to me na ang mga teachers raw nakalimutan ko. So sabi ko na tignan lang natin if there's any money. But you know, I'd like to inform you, ma'am, and the rest of the teachers all over the country that I have signed already the service recognition incentive and gratuity pay for the government teachers. So, in a few days, maybe ma-download na yan sa whatever is the mechanism for that. Pero ito yung matatanggap nila. Service recognition incentive and gratuity pay for the government. The document I signed was authorizing the grant of service recognition incentive to government employees for fiscal year 2021. So, I hope that ma-download ito kaagad at least before Christmas, New Year, para bagong taon meron silang hawak na pera. Yan ang pinahabol ko. Ma'am, my mother was a public school teacher. So, anak lang rin ako ng maestra. So, kaya medyo nauuna. You really deserve it. And that is what government has formulated and prioritized. So, kung ano man yan, it's a delegated power by Congress to authorize the President to may pera na. So, good luck to the teachers. I hope I have contributed a little bit of happiness to them this Christmas.
More than a little bit, Your Excellency, Mr. President.
Thank you, ma'am. Maraming salamat sa AFP. Nakita ko no umikot ako, and I am more than almost gratified by the response of the AFP. Again, para sa the rank and file, and of course to you, General Centino, maraming salamat po. Now, I go now to the Police General Carlos for the updates. General, I hate to tell you this, but I have to cut our program tonight. Ay kukunti lang naman. You will have your chance. When is the next Talk to the People? Next week. So you'll have a chance to, if there's anything that you will report or can report or will report, we can have it next Friday. This coming Friday. So, maraming salamat sa inyo. By the way, Sir, si General Carlos, sir, there's a spike of hold-ups na riding on tandem.
Yes, sir.
somebody reported to me. So kindly look into this problem.
Wilco, sir. Wilco. We'll do it.
Thank you.